Mad, sick.
Welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. Yeah, I know some persons are already at Vlogmas Day 6, but if you know, you can watch your first Vlogmas video. I'll be posting every other day because I cannot commit as yet to every day, but if I do post back to back, it's a bonus video. So as you see in the title, I'll be decorating my room for Christmas. So all items are linked in the description box on my Amazon storefront, so you guys can definitely check it out. Everything come from Amazon because I needed that quick shipping. So you guys can definitely check out the description box. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on all socials at _kimberly_, and enjoy the rest of the video. So first, let me show you guys my room. So I just came home, put down the Amazon packages, my sister birthday gifts. That video will be coming out after this. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys my room so you guys can see the space that we're working with. It's a small room, yeah, small room. So if you have a small room and you're wondering like how to decor your room, stay tuned. Stay tuned. I got you. So this is my room. As you come in, it's my nice clean bed. I love this bed set so much. Would I recommend it to persons? No. 0 out of 10. These are my sister gifts. As you step over, you see my vanity. Then you see my chest drawer. I want to do it over, but time will tell, and time is longer than a rope. And then we'll have the little corner. My corner here is supposed to be my study corner, but of course the box is here. Watching some vlogmas, guys. As a content creator, I feel I keep up with everybody, so you know what to do, how to inspire, and all of that. But that's it for my little room space. As I told you guys, the little room. There's one more thing. I have a television right here, but that's it. If I'm a small room, as I told you guys, it wasn't big. You never like have no bag of room, no bag of space in it, nothing. It was just a room, a small room. So I'm going to go ahead, strip the curtains, strip the bed. We're doing a huge room makeover Christmas theme. So we're going to start with my favorite place in my room, my vanity. To mega wipe, rearrange. It's probably the same order, but who to tell? Wipe, rearrange it, and do all of that. So that's what you're going to see in the next clip. These are legit my favorite, and the Chloe.
When Christmas comes to town, it's getting cold. Baby, I just want you close. I got all this joy.
This is a vanity. It needs some cleaning, as you can see. So I'll be doing that. Has been happening to my candles for quite some time now, so I need to get a candle warmer so I can just put it underneath it and it still work. But the girl is that know that Champion Toast is definitely that girl. That's why she's my all year fave. But when it's not that type of season, it's definitely the cinnamon caramel swirl. The girls that know follow me on TikTok and you know why I have this little piggy and why it's so important to me. The vanity on the bottom is just a bunch of stuff, like that makes sense. I have my mini perfume. Fun fact, this one is really expensive. I'm hardly using it. I can be some sister use it from up there, so come down here, so. And I put a little plant, to give that a cool vibe. Arrange the perfume in the biggest to the smallest, and the rest, as you guys see. Oh, I brought up my fall perfume. These are actually fall scents because when I was coming it was close to fall, so I bought some fall perfume. I bring them up. I move my hair products here because I don't like them being here. I don't like a crowded dresser. So I'm trying to see where I can move these two as well so it can look free up. But that's it for the vanity. I'm change it up. Normally the perfume is on the second or the third shelf. I put it at the fourth and bring up the medication slash supplements. So this is where it gets extremely tricky because like I feel like everything's just going to go back where it was. I feel like that's what's gonna happen unless I put some other stuff on the table. I feel everything's gonna go back where it was, and that's not good. No bueno. So let's see if I can declutter this. So I did kind of a declutter, kinda. Isn't this cool? Like look at my Momo holding on to my basket. And I put both of them beside each other because they're both souvenirs from Sun Valley. And then you know you can't forget yard, Jamaica. And then this now me use the purse to hide the two hair products. I went up and I put the spray bottle behind Mariana perfume. So we're going to go ahead and declutter the bed, and then I pull down the curtains and put up the fresh ones and show you guys the Amazon products, of course. So continue enjoying the video. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. So I'm all done stripping the bed. Ciao. Are you ready to see the stuff I get from Amazon? You ready? You ready? Alright, cool. Come, we'll go straight over Amazon tree. Ready? You ready? Let's see the big Amazon packet? Yeah. My shipping company charged me 5,000 with I think 4 more packages. Look at this. Post Government even sponsor me. It's Post Government Jamaica. They are the plug. Want to some charger. Can't tell the ever song this. Wanna come closer now? Must say come closer. So what is Christmas without red? I got these. Get one blanket. One thing I love when people suction the bag so it can hold stuff. This isn't a part of it. This is for Ash. Follow my business at Authentic Skinny Hair Care by Kim. Main character I've always wanted one of these. I hope it meets my expectation. I got it from Amazon Basic, so you guys can check that out. Remember, everything on my have link in the description box. Boys and girls, I know I don't want anybody come to me come say your box shouldn't be on your bed. You know how many places it went before it came to you? Is it your base? Is it your base? I promise y'all, I'm not ghetto. I actually order one cutter from Shein and it's up to start roast. So I'm like, you know, the scissors in the bed roast, maybe I must stick by it. I keep it. So excited this today. I'm going to look so flat. Listen, if I come here and the yard of anything other way cheats me around. That's the ghetto. I love when them do the suction. I love it. Woo. Ciao. Let's go. I like it. Me, like it. The doll, like it. So guys, it didn't come with cheese, but it came with pillowcase. I want to see the design, but the design show it's a crucial. But it has this ruche effect. What is it, a ruche? Yeah. I think I got this for $30. And the quality still feel good. Still feel good. Is it a ruche, huh? Or is it a ruche? Put on white sheets underneath the bottom, top and bottom, and then put this over it and we'll dazzle up the bed. So let's go. So in the meantime, my mom look for the sheets. I'm going to see if the pillow set that I bought, if it can fit these. I got this for $10. The room for the budget sister. Make some noise! Yeah. Thanks, mommy. You can check on the bed. The Lord is a bad man because she not start her Christmas cleaning. Can't say, look again if you don't see me. Hey, people, the lady over here cuts up her eye.
What nice see?
Yeah, girl, $10.
Liar to
$10.
So you couldn't bust up on them $10 something. I get my bed for January.
Which one account number there?
You know my account number. Woo!
The red pop.
Pop, pop, pop.
The red angle room. I will not even put her on the bed yet. Angle, bangle. Like this.
Nice.
Yeah, it's soft, baby. Mommy, come tell him I know. So she can go like that visitor. Watch out, she took off her bunny.
Hi guys.
There, the tongue in
Yeah. How you doing?
Oh, you feel like my mother upon your nana?
No man, my one I got to roll right out. Right out.
Oh.
After Shatara's makeover, it's gonna be mine. And guess what? I'm gonna take you through it. 1, 2, 3 steps.
I want edit that video. I want edit it.
You, the editor,
I got edit it up.
Angle
Angle
cross, chago angle banglet.
We can't believe these people. So yeah, $10. There's no reason for your room don't look good. On a budget. $10.
On a budget.
On a budget.
They're nice though. Let me feel the quality.
Girl, it feels good. Come feel it. Make them see when you feel it. Angle bango.
Guys,
Tell them say in the description
top tier.
box.
Check the description box. Only $10. And guess what? Red is my favorite color.
Listen, if you're gonna be red,
I am a red girl. When you see me put on red,
with angle.
pop. It is nice.
Nice, buddy.
You didn't know what I for you?
No, girl. Fun fact, my dad would even read the review for free.
Look here. You do your room. You start to do our room makeover. Big Dolly a roll out there.
January active.
Roll. Lit.
Tell them what I say, wow. This is Delo's Christmas wish.
My wish for Christmas, guys, is an AC for my room because guess what? We live in Portmore.
I need that.
And when the heat gets to you, oh my God, it's hot. And I don't want when I put on my clothes, I'm dripping. Come, Ash, say hi to them. Yes, this is Ash. Say hi,
I'm
Ash.
getting my Christmas suit.
Say hi, Ash. See them there. Look in the camera and say hi. He kiss me.
Let's resume room makeover. The pillows, $10. She's angle bangle. The comforter is angle bangle. Tell me only not to the better come along. So I'm going to put it on the pillowcase to match back the comforter. But I like it, my bed I get foreign. Yeah, girl, I'm not done yet. I mean, girls and boys, we're still not finished. If you know me, you know we need a throw. Because this part of the bed, I don't normally go under. I sleep on top, then do the throw. What am I do? Now I go in the bed. I don't do that. I go in the bed. And now I sleep on top and then get the blanket / throw and put over me. I'd help in the morning. It's a lot of people thing still. So in the morning, you have to spread the bed from scratch. What you do? Tell me what you do. Must say, Kim, where you find so much $10 thing? This was $10. This was $10. No man, that's a little better. Alright, for the price, the line not bad. It's like a Santa. Design too nice for hide. So I'm not pleased with the blanket, like the position of the blanket. I'm not pleased with it as yet, but once my mommy is here, she will tell me for them. She's saying I'm meeting for that year. But so far, I'm not very confident into the throw on the bed. It's probably I have to go roll up in a ball and go in between them there. When mommy come, and mommy have a little interior decor now too. I'm gonna ask her what's her recommendation for the throw. So we're going to put up the curtains now. Okay, you know what I have to put in back right. So I gotta do that right now. No, realistically speaking, I should have did the curtains before I spread the bed because I know I'm gonna move the bed and all the pillow them are gonna just like in one of the clips that I had. I'm gonna stand up on the bed, but my feet are very dirty. Because I'm going to do is I'm going to put my towel and then stand up on my toe. Because you know why? You have to take care of. So I'm going to put up the curtains now. Am I going to video this part? Not sure. But let's see where it takes us.
Darling, I get you on my mind when Christmas comes to town. It's getting cold, baby. I just want you close. I got all this joy in my heart, and if it's getting dark, yeah, we can go inside, baby. Won't you?
So proud of myself. Time when we get this done. I'm gonna take a water break. Go for your water walker. I'm gonna take 2 big cups. That is 1. If you consider that 5, 2. But we did it. We did it. We did it. Yeah. So that's it for the room makeover for Christmas. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know how you guys like this decor. Yeah. Comment down below. And thank you guys so much for enjoying Vlogmas Day 3.